In this video, I'll show you a 100% completed save game for GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition with all mission finished and everything unlocked. Check my video description for this save. Right click and select Vendor and select Open with Vendor and navigate to Documents, Rockstar Games, GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition. Right click on this Save Games and copy and paste it in another location. And this is your backup game progress, and then open the save game, drag and drop this save inside. Now launch the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and go to game and select the end of the line and select confirm. Now we are in the 100% save game. As you can see how much money we have. Let me check the map. As you can see, everything unlocked. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.